Hey everyone, it's a new day, it's another beautiful day right here. And today, actually, I just want to talk about something really important. And this is very important. And I just feel I should just speak it out. And I see the way a lot of people are practicing separation amongst themselves. They are practicing separating their self from their self, and at the same time practicing separation amongst each other. And I know this is something that we actually grew up with, and we think that we are separated from each other. We think that we are just a single individual, that everyone just came here, on his own. The truth is that actually we humans, we here for each other. The separation, the fighting, the jealousy, the hate, the grudge, how we look down on other people because of all this programming that we have. We were conditioned by society to think that we are separated from everything. We were conditioned to think that we are just here to survive, to make sure we survive on our own terms, without being selfish to other people. But the thing is that we have to become selfish to ourselves first. Love yourself, care for yourself, even when no one is around. Give the love to yourself, and this will attract people into your life that will love you the way you actually want. And that is it. But separation is something that I see everywhere I go. Like, I just see people practicing separation, jealousy, hate, guilt. I see a lot of people just looking down on other people. And I just smile because I understand that life itself is where we actually do reincarnate in, because we've been here a lot of times. So we come here to play a movie. It's like a movie. We are all students of life. You and I, everyone. If you're listening to this video, right now, to this message right now, whatsoever. If you are listening to me right now, you are a student of this school called life. That's what we are. Although I know we do come here and forgot everything. The plans that our soul actually made before coming here. We made a lot of plans that, right now I'm coming to life. I'm coming to love other people. I'm coming to serve other people. I'm coming to do this. I'm coming to do that. I'm coming to make sure I invent this or that or whatsoever. And immediately you came out from your mother's womb. The moment we do come out from our mother's womb, we just forget everything. And now we start to look for ways to start to understand and relearn things. And in this process of learning while growing up, actually, this is where we learn limiting beliefs. This is where we learn separation. There are a lot of places that our parents normally, things that our parents introduced to us, society introduced to us. And all these things are limitations, perceptions, and conditioning. Even from the media, your favorite movie. I'm not saying those things are bad, actually, no. We are learning, we just learning, but there are things that we come here to meet that are mind programming, that programs us for this illusion, this matrix, this false reality. And right now, for everyone out there who is now connecting back to their self, connecting back to their inner child, to who they really are, to their higher self, trying to get back on track to the spiritual aspect of who we are, because that's our true identity. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. As a spiritual being that we are, love is our true identity. You cannot find separation around love. There's no way you can find separation whenever you are in love. Love is our true identity, because that's who we are. God is love, and God is always providing for us the right information, the right guidance, protection that we need. But everything that is going on, the separation, the shame, the guilt, the lies, the programming, the conditioning that makes us to see ourselves separated from everything, those things, nothing is actually bad in this universe. I love to speak my truth. Everything is there to remind us that we are unique and we are one. There's no separation. You know, the more you go deeper and deeper and deeper into this illusion, into this conditioning and separation, your soul is expanding. You will begin to understand that, oh, separation is just an illusion. These are lessons. But most souls actually get lost into this illusions, into this separational state of mind, into this mindset of we are separated from everything and each other. Most people don't even know who they are, though it's normal. A lot of people are not, it's not time for a lot of people right now to wake up from this separation and conditioning mindset. It might take thousands of lifetimes, hundreds of lifetimes, it might take times, maybe other lifetimes before they can realize. But evolution, spiritual evolution is a process. Spiritual evolution is not something that the soul needs to rush. It's a process. As time goes on, you start learning new things, you start seeing things, seeing people as the way you see yourself and all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because right now, a lot of people are lost in this illusion state, in this programming and conditioning mindset. That is why you see people want to feed on other people's energy. You know? Try to feed from other people's energy, trying to gain attention so that people can know that, oh yes, I am around, I am this, I am that, I have this, I have that. And in reality, they are suffering within. The soul is struggling to expand. The soul is just there struggling to find light, to find freedom and peace, because the body is soaked and has identified itself as the ego. That is why a lot of people now have pride. A lot of people have a lot of negative things towards themselves and other people. And this is why the world is just creating a lot of collective negative thoughts each and every day. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people right now are so negative. It's not their fault. It's a learning process. This is the school of life. As time goes on, we are going to learn our lessons. But I'm just trying to drop this message so that people can start to realize that, oh, life is beyond what we think. Whatever we are experiencing right now is just an illusion. This is the school of life. We are all students of this school called life, trying to learn limitations, emotions, learn how to love, learn how to connect with our inner self, learn how to find peace and unity, not negativity. All the negative things that's going on around the world right now is caused by us. We humans, we created all these things for ourselves through our negative thoughts, beliefs, limitations, and negative actions. Separation is not something that we need. Right now, anywhere you go, you find a group of people, even they might pretend to be having a peaceful, not everyone actually, there are woke people who are awake right now, people who are awake to the truth, the universal truth, the so intelligent truth. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the spiritual truth, the spiritual aspect of life, and the reason for our evolution and the reason why we came here. A lot of people know about this, but still there are billions of people right now who are still living in separation, fear, guilt, jealousy, and shame. And these are the things that God do not want us to hold on to, because it's not our nature. But no one is judging anybody. We are all learning. We are going to come across a lot of stuff that will make us to grow and pick up that lesson. Maybe we can try again on our other lifetime, try again on another lifetime, try again, keep trying until we start to evolve in love. I'm just trying to drop this message out there so that when you listen to this will give you a new perspective, a new awareness. You know, it's like a seed, planting a seed. As time goes on, you find out that, okay, so this is it. Because sometimes knowledge helps us to grow. Knowledge awakes us from the illusion and put us on track to the truth. And then we start to become more curious, to know more. And the more we begin to know more, the moment we start to evolve. And that's the beginning of our soul progress. So, thank you so much for listening. I want to say I love you. And I will be coming up with a lot of, messages that would open up our awareness, because we are all the same. We need each other. We need informations like this to know where we are. A lot of people are lost. A lot of people are suffering internally. You need eternal wisdom just like this to expand your consciousness. Even if you do not understand any of this, but it's a seed. As time goes on, it grows. Your soul might understand. Maybe your body might not be ready to understand. But as time goes on, you start to get awareness. We are all going to wake up to the truth, definitely. And if you are doing something wrong, you are trying to do harms to other people, you are living in this state of separation, fear, whatsoever, no one is judging anybody. God is not judging us. God understands that we are just learning and growing. But it's good to drop this kind of message out there so that people can start seeing life differently. So we are doing our best. We are all doing our best. I love you guys. Thanks for listening to this message, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay peaceful, stay connected to your inner self, and always remember that we are loved by the infinite, by God Himself, the infinite intelligence, and the universe itself. So we need to start to learn how to spread this love to other people the way we love ourselves. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.